April on Tasty Tuesday. Today I'm very excited to share I'm working with HelloFresh. So thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this video. So if you friends are not familiar with HelloFresh, it's a meal kit delivery service that Justin and we've been using for years, honestly, and we love the food. It's so fun to look through the site to check the weekly menu and see they have different options, and the one that I'm sharing today is the family plan. So it's more portions, it's family friendly because it gives kids like options that are like, the meals are usually kid friendly. Another thing that I love about HelloFresh is that they do the meal planning for you. So if you have a hard time like me deciding, oh my gosh, what am I gonna make for dinner? What am I gonna make this week? Like, to me, that's like an endless thing that I'm always thinking about, and it's so hard to plan. It's like, what does everyone like? So we just go on the HelloFresh site, we look at the menu. If we like it, we buy it, and then the food comes to us, and then I get to prepare it, and I feel like a chef when I prepare it, because it's most of the time a lot of things that I never would have thought to make, like a fun fajita bar. So that's what I love about it. So let's get started. So here we have orange peppers. We have two 6-inch flour tortillas, 6 count, that makes 12. We have cilantro right over here. Cheddar cheese. Liam loves cheese, so that's awesome. Southwest spice blend. We have 1 red onion. We have 1 lime. Sour cream in individual packets. We have Heirloom grape tomatoes, 4 ounces each. And what makes it, the boneless pork chops, and it comes in 2 separate packs because it's the family pack, so they, put in more. I was finishing up cooking, guess who woke up? Baby boy! He was like, it's time to eat. I smelled it and I'm ready.
We got 2 taste testers. Well, you may be able to have a little bit of the cheese.
The cheese, tortilla. He's gonna have.
Actually, yeah, you can have quite a bit of this. He's starting to eat a lot more.
Yeah, he eats everything now, pretty much.
I love HelloFresh. I mean, one of the things I love the most about it is that it kind of gets you out of that rut of like eating the same things. We do that. Like, we eat the same recipes. What are we gonna do this week?
Couscous.
Dinner, like, yeah, like we have like these same recipes that we use every time. And actually, we save a lot of the HelloFresh recipe cards.
We do.
And make them over and over and over.
Oh,
right?
yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
so,
yep.
That's something that I really like. And each week, as April was talking about, we'll go through, look at the menu, and if we don't want to do it that week, we can pause it and just restart it the next week. So I really do like that flexibility aspect of it. So can we dig in on this? Yeah. Can I just like make one and like do some taste testing already? I've been smelling this. Oh my goodness. Jacob is like,
you got it.
He is like staring at food now. Oh my goodness. I love this because it's like big chunky pico de gallo.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. Sorry, Jacob. He's like staring at me. I feel so bad. We should give him some of that tortilla.
Yeah, he's gonna have some later.
Alright, here we go.
You can have some, baby.
Mmm. Oh my gosh.
Want some?
This is like incredible.
You want some?
the pork is so like juicy. You know how sometimes when you cook pork chops, they get really tough? You cooked it like perfectly.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, and that pico is like,
Dang, that's like, it takes you 3 bites and you're good. 3 bites and you're good with your taco.
This is seriously incredible.
Anyways, friends, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to check out HelloFresh, you guys definitely should. I have a code for you. You can get $30 off HelloFresh for your first week of deliveries with my code CookWithApril30. HelloFresh.com. You can also see it right here. I also have it in the information box. You guys, check it out. That discount is amazing. Yeah.
Out of all of the meal kit delivery services,
yeah, I
this is the
agree.
best. We've tried a lot of them.
Yep.
This really, honestly, objectively.
They have the best
So
like
good.
menu, the best flavor. They don't repeat too much. Like
That's the other
newer,
thing, yeah.
newer ingredients, fresher ingredients. I love it. Like,
Yeah.
and I like that. You know, you don't have to really go grocery shopping when you get this, because then everything is so
Right.
packaged and planned and everything. Awesome. Thank you, friends, so much for watching. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.